teaching staff, our dear parents, benefactors who are here present, relatives of our kings and queens, and then our students, our pupils, our friends in the Academia de Immaculada Concepcion de Bulan. Good evening to all of you and happy fiesta. La Academia at 3. We Filipinos are celebrators. We love to celebrate, and each moment of our lives we celebrate. That's why nothing can stop us from celebrating our third foundation day. Not even the earthquake, not even Yolanda, not even the war that happened in Mindanao. No, they will not stop us from celebrating our third foundation day. I was told that Filipinos celebrate most the birthdays, and the special birthdays are the first birthday, the third birthday, and the seventh birthday, wherein the celebrants are presented into the world for a special mission, I think. For example, on the first birthday, the celebrant is presented to the world for the first time. On the third birthday, the celebrants are presented to the world with her or his potentials and skills. And on the seventh birthday, they are presented to the world as a social being. Now we are celebrating our third birthday, the third year of our foundation as the Catholic institution here in Bulan. The only Catholic elementary school, preschool and elementary school here in Bulan. And on our third birthday, we are going to show our Bulan community what we got as an institution. Obviously, as you can see, these little children in front of you, and you can see the people around you, from the old and the young. The Academia has beauty. Mga magayunon baga ang mga rayna tanian, pati ang mga bearers and crown and flowers, including the parents, and di ko man ipapaurhi, my staff, the teachers, both the young and the not so young, they're all beautiful today. Aminin nyo o sa diri, talagang totoo ang sinasabi ko. Kidlatan man kita, sana nagman. Okay? And I think God purposely hid the stars tonight in order that these stars here up here will shine so bright.